Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of black screen on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we will search about the application of Netflix and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and